In this video, I'll show you how to post Instagram Reels from laptop and PC. You can post Instagram Reels from your laptop or PC using Instagram's web version. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your web browser. So go ahead and head over to Instagram.com, log into your account, and at the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find this create button in between notification and dashboard. So simply click on that create button, and under that, select the post button, and then this will pop up on your screen. So simply select from your computer. So go ahead and select the specific video that you want to post as a reel from your computer. So simply look for that into your computer, click on that video and click on that open button, and then your video will be uploaded into Instagram. So in here, go ahead and crop the video depending on your preference. So you can actually go ahead and select the aspect ratio of your video by clicking on this button at the bottom left. So you can set this to 1:1, 9:16, 16:9, and original depending on your preference. So select the one that you want to use and click on that next button at the top right. Here you can go ahead and select the cover photo of your reels from the video itself, or upload the cover photo from your local drive. You can also trim out the video depending on your needs, and once you have finalized this, you can go ahead and hit on that next button, and then here you can go ahead and incorporate a caption, add a location, configure accessibility settings, and click on that share button at the top right of your screen to post this video as a reel to your Instagram account. And that's basically how you can post Instagram Reels from laptop or PC. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.